back. We're looking a little bit larger than usual, which isn't the worst thing in the world. I feel like you guys can get more of me. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. However, we got Bitcoin at 99k. We were just at 100k. It's dropping at the minute. I have drawn 3 trend lines, and it looks like we are in a hyperwave. It looks like we are going up, and up only seems to be the case. I don't think we violated this trend line as of yet. It can come down to 97k and still be okay. If we have a little bit higher though, if we have a look a little bit higher, I think we are going to move upwards with haste. We're going to see a candle soon because we're looking to be in some sort of bullish momentum, especially because Bitcoin just getting eaten up at that level there. It's getting eaten up very heavily. Whoever's buying doesn't think it's going to go lower. Look at the wicks. They're just getting eaten up, eaten up, eaten up. And I'm guessing this one will get eaten up as well. So I don't think we've topped out just yet. I think we're close. We're a lot higher than people think. Look at how far high we are compared to the old all-time high. If we actually draw a line from there, all-time high, we have absolutely destroyed it. We may still see a lot more upside because that would cause max pain because everybody's in altcoins at the moment and it would make them cry. However, we are closer to the top than the majority think. In terms of time, I think the price can go significantly higher. I think we can see 200k. I don't think we will, but we can. It can be a proper blow off top, like we've seen in previous cycles. Nobody believed Bitcoin could go to 68k, but it did. Nobody believed it'd be at 100k, but we're here. Altcoin season, we're out of an altcoin season. We're at 69. Funny little number that is. However, we've come out of that altcoin season. How evil do you have to be to send us into an altcoin season, make everyone believe that we're going to be there for a few months' time just to send us out of there? The market makers are a wonderful thing, eh? Wonderful thing. I could have bought more here, which I did. I did buy more. However, I should have bought a lot more. But we could still see downside. That's why I am prepared for that as well. Fear and greed index at 83. We're still in greed. Extreme greed. So that hasn't flushed out the market properly. And that's my worry, you know. We might see a lot lower prices in a quick time period. A nice little V-shaped recovery. So things are going to go down very quickly just to bounce back higher than they were. If we look at liquidations, let's make my head a little bit smaller. And if we look at the liquidations here, is there a lot of shorts building up? There is a few shorts building up there on the 1 day. A lot of shorts on the 7 day and on the 30 day. Not as much as the longs, however, they may get flushed. If you look at the heat map, a lot at 93 on the 3 day. What about on the 1 day? Any building up? Yeah, a lot lower than us. Like 97k. We might go down to that just to liquidate everyone, just to come back up because there is a lot on the upside as well. And come around the 106k region before dropping lower, potentially. Need to be monitoring these liquidations like a hawk because this is what actually matters. What about on the month? If this actually wants to load. There's a load down here, you know. Not crazy amount, more at like 99. If we look at Casper's liquidations, even though it's irrelevant because Bitcoin's the only price that matters, I don't think they have Casper, which is fine. We'll have a little look at the bookmarks today. So, soon Omikami will be valued at 420 million. Do not follow the sellers who lack experience in markets. This is the time to hold. This is the time when it matters most. Those who fail to heed this warning will lose their valuable position in the market. Omikami to billions and billions, because Omikami is the greatest token, the greatest meme coin. I think in terms of tokens, I think it's close second to Casper. But Casper's a much larger market cap, so you better hedge your bets on something with a small market cap of 40 million US dollars. 1.1 million in liquidity. Getting exchanges. Is actually getting exchanges. which is mad. If we go to CoinMarketCap and look at Omikami's exchange listings, it is actually a joke, because what I'm going to show you in today's video is crazy. I'm not going to lie. It's getting the exchanges. The price is heading higher. It's at 794 on the ranking list. And if we look at markets as well as the graph, look how beautiful that graph is, by the way. If we look at markets, it's getting an increase in exchanges with low confidence. However, I ain't told you to trade on there. I just said it's getting exchange listings. I ain't told you to trade on there. You lose your money on them exchanges, that's your own fault, because I wouldn't even put my ID on there, never mind my money. I ain't sniffing or going near that. The Bull Edition ZBEC Black card is coming soon. After overwhelming demand from the Tron community, we've thrilled to announce the launch of Bull Edition Tron card. This custom card celebrates Bull, the blue chip Tron meme coin that's been dominating the chain and gaining mind share in Web3's meme coin market. Get ready to take your Tron spending to the next level. The custom Bull debit card will be releasing in January. No way. No way. Look at the art. Yo. That's a new background for me. Yo. The art is next level. Look at that. Look at that. How do I set that as my background? I'm going to set that as my background, man. If you guys think markets are easy and everyone's going to be rich, think again. 1% of us are leaving with money. Fartcoin is pumping. That's how you know when this thing tops, everything is going to zero. But we're not at the top yet, but we ain't too far off. Stay sharp. Fartcoin. Fartcoin. You're not investing in Google or Apple or Microsoft. People are investing in Fartcoin. When this pops, it's going to pop. Everyone's left with zero. Welcome, Definitive, to Solana. DeFi protocol with multi-pool routing, gasless swaps and automated limit orders. Automated swap to any token. So what, have they merged them all together? Looks bullish to me. The hell? What the hell? Let's check CoinMarketCap. We'll go to Solana. Is Solana shining? $228. It has pumped a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. However, I don't like Solana, man. Bitcoin is pumping while gold is dumping. Bitcoin follows gold, remember. So it's going to fly and then it's going to top out. So Bitcoin follows in gold's footsteps. Solana becomes the only blockchain to break Ethereum's 8-year streak as the top choice for new developers. So is everyone trading flipping meme coins? Even top developers? Reports show that 7,625 new developers joined Solana, surpassing Ethereum 6,456 this year. Wait till Ethereum starts popping off. You just wait. The Get to Know the Casper Crew series continues. Be a producer, not a consumer. This is how you build generational wealth. Facts, man. If you upload YouTube videos rather than watching them, you're much more likely to get paid. Even tweets. Make your own tweets, lads. Texas lawmakers filed to establish a strategic BTC reserve for the state. Sui. Even though I hate this token. While this could be a high B wave, this is probably going to develop into an extension of Circle Wave 3, with $5.55 US as next upside target. I was looking for the Circle Wave 4 pullback a little too early. Damn, Sui's flying though. It's going to do a Solana. I know the prices of Sui and Solana can go up. I just don't believe in them as a token, and I'm not willing to put money into them and gaslight fraudulent blockchains, even though they're going to make people a lot of money. BlackRock has released a report to investors on how to allocate Bitcoin. They only recommend 1 to 2% allocation, but interestingly, they included BTC in the future of finance category. If you were investing in the future of finance, how much would you choose to allocate? Boy, oh boy, is he right. 1 to 2%, 60% stocks. Why would you go 60? If I was in crypto and I was a big dog, I'm investing 100% into Bitcoin. It's a fight against inflation. We actually hit 102k again today, but now we're back at 99. First time trading crypto, here's the secret. Zoom out, don't obsess over every tick. Secure profits gradually, don't aim for the top. Stay calm, volatility is your opportunity, not your enemy. Low key facts. Take notes. Breaking: US President Trump says we will do something great with crypto. You are seriously not bullish enough. Mega pump coming. That's crazy, bro. They've literally using him to pump all their grayscale bags, BlackRock bags, every investor's bags. All the rising currencies during the past period is only the beginning. Hold your ground. Ethereum is breaking out towards 4,043.
We opened the trade and it broke out, which is amazing. Target 4,043. Now let's zoom out. That means it's going to go through again that resistance. It's
What is my internet, bruv?
through that big pattern. Yeah, it's already through this big pattern, which is amazing. This big pattern on the weekly, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, symmetrical triangle, builds pressure, breaks out. The target is the base, 7,300. And I'm going to actively trade. Don't get me wrong. If there's a big drop like there was a few days ago, I close those positions, lock in the profits, and enter again.
Damn. You know, Ethereum could do an XRP, you know. Imagine if it breaks out like that. I remember when this guy was talking about an asymmetrical triangle breakout. If it breaks out quick like XRP, it could be ruthless. It may be ruthless. Because XRP moved quick, you know. Few weeks. Few weeks is all it takes. I've opened Ethereum trades. If you can't handle a minus 30% dump, then you don't deserve a 30x pump. Simple math of altcoins. The perfect Bitcoin dominance retest. Altcoin season is inevitable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Send it lower. Send that lower. Send it lower. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Please tell me it's dropping. Somebody. Oh yes. Send it lower. Send it lower. Send it lower, cuz I do not want to see that. I do not want to see that come any higher, to be honest with yous. I want to see that low. Breaking: 57 billion asset manager AMP have just bought 27 million worth of Bitcoin. Institutional FOMO has started. Retail isn't even here yet. Wow. Every December of each third year on previous cycles, Bitcoin return reaches up to an average of 30 to 46%. We're still up by 3.92%. History tells us that there's more room for growth before this year ends. Send it! New listing alert, Casper USDT on GroveX. Yo, these exchanges that people are getting listings on are smelly though. I've never heard of these before. Straight to Casper Pay. Special listing offer for all Casper tokens. Do you want your Casper token listed? Wow. Get the exchanges. Come on. Bitlight, so far perfect repeat. As you can see, they liquidated 1.6 billion with 2 weeks with the last time. They then went up towards full moon, end of retrograde, and then topped. They're approaching it now. Soon they will top it, reverse it, cause a 31% crash exact, and create an alt season. That's why I noticed, yeah, even Alex Lorenzo is saying that January the 28th is around about the time to buy. Even though historically alt season starts in 7 days, they could send this lower. Because this isn't like the previous cycles. They're changing things up. We're playing against institutions, and it's becoming a little bit harder. They will go 105k before dropping down to 95. No, so they took that liquidity before dropping everything. As you saw the last few days, they went exactly to 94k, where the biggest liquidity was, and destroyed 1.6 billion in longs in just one day. Next liquidity level is 105. That is their new destination. When they reach it, they will create a trap, and on Monday, Tuesday, they will create an immense drop. They create a drop. I will be loading me bags. Where does he think he's going? 74k. Okay then. The Bitcoin funding rate are extremely low again. We all know what's next here. Send it higher. Send it higher. But we may see a drop beforehand, you know. Are we going to see another drop? Who's ready to become a millionaire? The ball's in your court. Take control. Crypto is about to go crazy. Justin, Donald Trump will ring the new NYSE opening stock market bell tomorrow morning. Brett is up 75% in the last month. That dip was an opportunity everyone needed to buy low again. Ethereum rally will be very soon. Brett will follow. You are not bullish enough. 75 flipping percent. Man smoking a cigarette. Your whole bloodline is chanting your name, brother. Remember that. Your whole bloodline. 4.5 billion worth of shorts get liquidated if BTC hits 104k, which it will do. Which it definitely will do. Wow. You simply don't fade Honey's golden cross in a bull run. Caught the pre-pump, caught the dump, now we ride this to new highs. Repost that. Honey. That's a nice name. Haley Welsh, F more dudes, and Lily Phillip. Yo. Yo. She ragged that meme coin. She rugged it. Not a single top 50 alt from 2021 2022 has hit a new all-time high against BTC. Because new tokens win. It has to be their first bull run for maximum returns. Look at what Bitcoin did in its first bull run. Did you see the percentage gain on Bitcoin in its first bull run? Because if you haven't, you don't know how markets work. It's not about the price it goes to. It's about the percentage returns. Look at that. 755%. That can't be right. Look, diminishing returns, man. The diminishing returns over cycles, and we're not going to get the same amount of percentages this time because it's not his first bull market. Crypto trading is 90% mindset, 10% execution, patience during dips, calm during euphoria, strategy above emotion. Master the psychology and you'll master the market, because nobody can control their emotions in a bull market. Everybody's reckless. Everybody just wants to make quick cash, especially retail. The people you're battling against aren't the smartest people in the world. You're not battling against professionals, only a small percentage are. I'm waiting for Sailor to explain to everybody why they don't need to worry about quantum computing. I've heard about quantum computing and it's low-key scary. However, I don't think it's going to have an effect on Bitcoin as of yet, because I don't think it's advanced enough yet, but in the future we may have to worry about it. But for now, in this bull market, I think we're okay. Camel Finance does a very good video on that. I think it was yesterday, so if you want to go into detail about that and why it won't be a risk for us, it's a complicated video, but I think you may want to watch that as well. BTC dominance, the top is in. We're heading to at least 45%. This is alt season. Alts are ready to explode higher. If we see 45%, that's good for me. That is perfect. That is fine by me. Holy. That's all I need in my life. For real. 45%. I am vibing. Holy. Omikami will lead to prosperity. It's still day one. 1 million Ethereum bridge to base. 490 days post-launch. That is crazy, bruh. Quarter 1, quarter 2 of 2025, it should be illegal to be bearish on alts. Send it, man! Send them all To the moon! Bitcoin dominance is dropping and Bitcoin's dropping. You know what that means, right? We're about to make some serious cashola.